Asunción has a population of 5 million people.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do
Paraguay has a population of 7 million people.
is easy to use. So call my time, but you weren't really mine, just something to do.
Asunción is the capital of Paraguay and the largest city in Paraguay.